Thank you for explaining the new equipment that is currently installed. Could you explain how that's an improvement from the system that was previously installed?
Sure. When the building was originally constructed, the space was built out as a library. It's back in the days before people had laptops and computers. People nowadays, everybody has laptops. The space is going to have a lot more equipment giving off heat. So basically the load in the space is increasing the cooling load substantially. So we have to supplement the existing air handling system with a new air handling system to provide additional cooling for the space.
All right, so we are currently standing in what used to be office space, which is now being added to the new workspace here on the second floor. And if you look up at the ceiling, you can see a new structure being installed.
So one of Temple's needs for the new lab is to have utilities at the workstations and workbenches. Compressed air, electric to hook up tools, exhaust for soldering and other processes that will take place at the workstations. So this is a unistrut grid system, and it's designed to support point-of-use utilities that, like is talked about.